We are rope dropping Busch Gardens Williamsburg on Christmas Eve for one reason and one reason alone. Peeps, we are back at Busch Gardens Williamsburg, and we are here for a very special treat today. A little bittersweet treat, actually. We're here, even though it's Christmas Town, this is a little bit of a somber video because we are here to bid adieu to Verbolten. Now, Verbolten is not closing forever. In fact, I think it's open until the end of Christmas Town, weather dependent. But this is going to be probably our last opportunity to ride Verbolten in its current iteration before it turns into Verbolten Forbidden Turn next year. So we want to get one last ride in, maybe more than one, ride in on Verbolten today to get our, to see the current state of Verbolten before it gets all revamped and rethemed next year. Scottish Highland Cow. Merry Christmas. Happy New Year. Happy holidays. Whatever cows celebrate. Mooey Christmas. So, while we make our way to Verbolten, funny story. I went to Barnes & Noble before coming here. It's Christmas Eve, little last-minute gift type stuff. And I heard someone yell peeps at me. And it was one of our viewers, Abby. Hopefully you're watching this video because we talked about it. I said I was coming here to ride Verbolten. You said you were going to do the same thing because it's over 50 degrees and there's a good chance it's running tonight. So if you're watching this, thank you for watching. Thank you for saying hi, and hope you like this one. There it is. Verbolten. I can see it running in the... No, wait, that's Big Bad Wolf. Hopefully Verbolten's running because that's why we're here. Here we are. Verbolten, and it's wide open. Like, there's literally no one here. This is awesome. Walk on Verbolten. Perfect way to wrap up one of our favorite rides here at Busch Gardens Williamsburg. But before, let's take a look at the tourist center because that's going to be under new management in the new retheme. I remember when this ride first opened, when it first replaced the Big Bad Wolf, and how different it was in feel from the original Big Bad Wolf. As we walk through the tourist agency, see all this cool stuff. Did we know there was a bear in here? Verbolten bear? Can you even see him? There he is, Verbolten bear. He looks very scared. He is not braving the Black Forest. Because there's no line, I can literally walk through this thing at my own pace, which is nice. There's another bear in here. There's a lot of bears here in the Black Forest. I wonder what they're gonna do, like, in this building to retheme it to the new tourist agency. Well, it says new management, so maybe same tourist agency, new management? Look at that guy.
No point in getting our extra steps.
And bear number 3. This travel agency has seen better days. It needs a dusting. Oh, who's that little guy? Okay. Heading into the station house, the giant map of the Black Forest. Now, sometimes if you're lucky, they have things on these screens that are actually kind of creepy. Like it shows the forest coming alive and the vines kind of moving. Sometimes they have them on, sometimes they don't. But you can see the vines have overtaken this building. I just love the slight little bit of horror tinge to this ride. It's not big, it's not like super creepy, but it's there if you look for it. very curious what they're going to do here in the station when the new ride opens. And when there's no line, you ride in the front, obviously.
Please let go of your harness so it may be checked for you at this time. During your ride, please remain seated, keeping your hands, arms, and legs down and inside the car with your head back against the headrest. Remember, don't look back as you brave the Black Forest.
Here we come. We get the Fallen Rocks car.
You've escaped the forest. Please lift up on your safety harness and exit carefully to your left and enjoy the rest of your day at Busch Gardens. Auf Wiedersehen!
Don't you dare! You realize your dad's gonna try to record you screaming.
So that was an interesting final ride on Verbolten. And what was interesting about it is that not all the effects worked, unfortunately. You know, I mean, it's an older ride. That's why they're revamping it, right? But it was really light inside the building. I don't think I've ever ridden in the building when it's been that light. So you got to actually see a lot of the inner workings and the track and stuff like that. I actually thought that was kind of cool. Hopefully it came across on video because it was kind of a unique ride for us. And a good one to wrap up on. Auf Wiedersehen, Verbolten. Don't look back as you brave the Black Forest. You know what? While we're here, we're gonna ride Dark Coaster. This thing is always on a crazy wait or not open. So I don't know what the wait is right now, but we're gonna try it. I've only ridden Dark Coaster like once. So it's gonna be interesting to see how it is. And like, it's just kind of crazy that this ride is so hard to get into, it seems. I mean, there is no better roller coaster facade that I can think of than the one for Dark Coaster. And of course, it wasn't built for a roller coaster, which is probably why it's so cool. It was built for a dark ride, and they've now put a roller coaster in this building, which is pretty crazy. rode Dark Coaster. It was a walk-on, which was cool because it's never a walk-on. It's usually like a 70-minute wait or something. It's crazy, but finally rode it again for the first time in a very, very long time. I don't love it, but you know, I mean, much like Verbolten and some of the roller coasters here, the theming behind it, you know, and what they've done to kind of inject some creepiness into it, obviously, you know, touches my heart. I got a little J.J. Abrams going on here. So I love that. But the coaster itself, I don't love it. Maybe it just needs more. One, it needs more comfortable seating. It definitely needs that. And two, I think it just needs a little bit more in the special effects department of what's inside the building. I don't know that there's quite enough. Bear, what are you going to miss most about Verbolten? Since everything's kind of a walk-on today, might as well do Invader too, right? Haven't ridden this one in a while either.
Exit quickly, but carefully to your left. Thank you for riding Invader, and have fun at Busch Gardens. Now sit back and enjoy your adventure on Invader.
Okay, Invader. Not anywhere near as smooth as I remember. I mean, it's a wooden coaster, and it feels like a wooden coaster. I remember riding it when it was just here for the grand opening, and it was like smooth. I'm like, this doesn't even feel like a wooden coaster. It doesn't hurt. It doesn't beat you up. It's great. I mean, it's still actually a pretty solid ride, but woo, yeah, it is a wooden coaster. It is like a like teeth chattering. That's what I was trying to get across there. Kind of wooden coaster. So, but no line. I mean, you can't really beat the fact that there's no lines. But we started with Verbolten. I think we're going to cut it with Invader. So let's wrap this thing up. Next up, Busch Gardens Mardi Gras starts January 30th through March 9th. Runs Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, plus President's Day. All right, peeps, with Verbolten in the background, that does it for us in this video. We just wanted to say goodbye to the current state of Verbolten. Hopefully you like to look at this. Let us know your favorite Verbolten memory from this video. We actually did a little video about the history of Verbolten previously, and I'm going to link that at the end of this video, so check that out. But in this video, let us know your favorite Verbolten memory and what you're most looking forward to hopefully seeing in Verbolten Forbidden Turn. We don't know much about it. We know it's a revamp. We know new special effects, new experiential elements, new ownership or management of the travel company. So I'm sure we will learn more. And as we learn more, we are going to tell you guys all about it. And of course, up to and leading to the opening of Verbolten Forbidden Turn, we'll bring you along that entire journey like we have over Busch Gardens Williamsburg for years now. Give us a thumbs up on this video because it really helps us out to know that you like this type of content. And if you want to see that content and all the Verbolten Forbidden Turn content we have coming up, hit the subscribe button and the little notification bell so that you know when we release it. Thank you all for watching. We will see you in the new year with some awesome coverage, and Auf Wiedersehen for now.